Welcome to another video from Same Stock 10. So I'm going to be showing you how to get on test space on your laptop for free. Let's get into it. So first I need you to check disk. So it's going to show this option, create and format hard disk partition. Click on that. It's going to load up like this. So what I need to do, I'm going to go to action, create VHD, click on browse location. So let me just name it Sam and save. Then I don't think you should mess with these ones, but you can change it if you want to. So now what I need to do, you're going to terabytes. Let me say I need 5 terabytes. So I'll click on OK. It's going to load like this. See, 1, 2, 3. Taking a little bit of time. Just forward that. The way it's taking so long, it doesn't usually take this much time. Okay, let's skip this. Yes, so it's done. So now what I want you to do, you're going to click on click OK. So I'm going to show online like your main disk. So now you have like a second disk. So now you click on new simple volume, next. Okay, so you can name it, you can name the volume level. Let me say Sam. Next, finish. Just going to format it. Well, but formatting is not kind of a problem since there is actually nothing on it currently. So healthy, just like your first hard disk. See, let me click on it to show you guys. Yes, that's all folks. For more videos, please subscribe to Same.